I put some new wheels on. These are from the 2013 Genesis Coupe. And I dip them black. If you want to dip your wheels, I use plastic dip. And the plastic dip don't leave a dark black. It kind of look grayish. So what I did was I bought this from Walmart, which is like, I think $3, $3.88, something like that. And this give you a good black look. So I just painted over the plastic dip because plastic dip wasn't getting black. So yeah, it came out pretty good. However, it doesn't work good for painting your emblem, but the plastic dip works with it. So anyways.